You want to trade with who? You want Hi Fabs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Hi guys. Yes my love. Yes baby, you wanna say hi to the Fabs? You want to blow them kisses? Blow them kisses? Hey. Hi Fabs, how are our beautiful people doing? You guys, we are happy Friday. It's Friday. And we're on the road running some errands. It's actually a late start to our vlog today, but that's okay. Whatever we have, we're just gonna give it to you guys, and we know you guys will appreciate it. So we're on the road, actually heading to the supermarket right now. We've been out all morning though, but we've been so busy and so caught up. Your girl didn't get to pick up the camera, but now I am saying hello to you guys and checking in on you guys and let you guys know that we are okay. We're doing good. Baby's here driving and Tyler is around here with his cute self. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Yes baby. Yes baby. You're so cute. Ah, you're giving them lots of kisses. Mama. Ah, kisses dashing out on you guys today. Galore. I didn't even have to ask him, and then he's gone to the passy. Ah. You guys, I thought about the Jamaican expression in my head just now, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it to you guys. And the Jamaican expression will be one no kill fatten and one no fatten poison. That's exactly how we as Jamaican would say it. One no kill fatten and one no fatten poison. We use this term when somebody's eating something and it fall on the ground and you know you really want that to eat, and you know you're not supposed to pick up things off the ground, and somebody's gonna say to you, take it up and eat it. If it don't kill you, it will fatten you, and if it don't make you fat, it's going to make you poison. So, or if you want to eat something and you're not sure about the food for some unknown reason, some Jamaican gonna say to you, nyami. Nyami, it mean you're to eat it. And then they're gonna say, wanna kill fatten and wanna fatten poison. So you're to just eat it anyway, whatever the end result is gonna be. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. You get it? Make sure you get it. And yes, baby's gonna give you his spin on it later, but you know he's driving now and focusing on all these curves on this hill that we live, so he can't even glance at you guys right now. Yeah. Oh Lord, I'm a mess. I just figured out something about the camera that I had for a year. Well, the tripod actually. That I had no idea that it could do that, which is so cool. Now you guys can see me without me struggling to hold it up, and it was that easy. Anyway, you guys, shopping is done. We were in and out faster than our normal shopping days. Well, it was still long, but faster than usual. And we are super hungry right now. It's dinner time. It's actually past Tyler dinner time, or just around Tyler dinner time. So we're here snacking on M&M, and we just went to another tunnel. We're having fast food today, so we are heading to, can you guess? Just pause the video and guess. Comment down below in the description box and see if you guys can guess where we're going. Which fast food do you guys think we're going to purchase dinner? You guess it? And the winner is, if you say Burger King, you're right. Let's see who says Burger King, if anybody guessed it right. We are lovers of Burger King and Chinese food. If it wasn't Burger King, then it would have been Chinese food. So we're here eating M&Ms until we get to our Burger King, which I'm looking at right in front of me right now. So we're just gonna go to a drive-through, pick it up, and then head home. Comment down below and also tell me what you guys... Damn, what was that, honey?
I don't know what the car doing.
Some people just drive crazy on the road.
Woman.
He's a woman. For real, it's not a myth that women, not all women, because I'm not going to use a brush and paint everybody, but some women, some of us really drive crazy. I just don't get it. Why? Just why? I don't understand why. Yes, baby?
It's like they're coming from the wrong direction and they always think that the car in front gonna
Crazy.
stop for them.
Un grand menu,
En normal?
frites et coca.
What you want to drink?
Coca.
Oui, frites et coca.
Oui.
Je vais vous prendre un autre menu cette fois-ci en double steakhouse.
Double steakhouse.
Oui.
En grand.
En normal.
Frites coca.
Oui, frites et coca aussi.
Oui.
Vous faites les wings, mais vous les avez que dans la box ou vous avez des wings à part? 4, 6 or 9?
6.
Par 6.
Par 6 wins, d'accord?
You want something else?
No.
Et ce sera tout.
D'accord, très bien, je vous laisse avancer, merci.
Merci.
Come on, let's pack out. Oh, these are the eggs. Thank you, baby.
One by one.
That would go down so cute. Come around and help. Take this one. Thank you, my love. And this one. Oh, this feels so light. It's always this light.
This?
Thank you, Tyler. You're such a good boy. He's just taking out. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Good job. My little helper never fail, you guys. Thank you, my love. Thank you. This one is very cool. Thank you, baby. I'm coming, honey.
Merci.
Here. Look at these two. Jack your eye. Jig it, 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 jig it. You like it? So you guys, while we were at Burger King, Tyler smiled with this girl and she gave him this at the window. He's such a charmer already. He's already getting girls everywhere, right? Go do it. Go. And he's so in love with it, like totally in love with this thing. You have a little hand action going on. Give him a kiss. Isn't he the cutest? Sweet boy, give mama a kiss. Give mama a kiss. What? Me, give me, give. I have to take it. Look at him kissing this thing though. That's your friend? He was blowing kiss to the girl at the window. Mwah, mwah. And she just gave him this little cute toy and he was so excited. You're a charming girl, you're stealing hearts and then you're gonna break them. You're not gonna break anyone's heart, okay? Look how you're sweating. He's just sweating away, his hair is just fizzing out. Jeez, this kid just looks so grown. I honestly cannot take how grown Tyler look right now. It's just too much on my heart. I just can't take it. I need my baby back. I need my baby back. Like, it's just too much. He looks like a baby when he had his hair, but now that I've cut his hair, he just looks like such a big boy. I'm just not ready for him to grow up. I'm just honestly not ready. No! You can't hit me! I have my stop sign in my hand! No! No! I'm gonna get you if you hit me! No! Get out of my way! You! Get out of my way! You're just gonna slap him with your car like that? You were just giving him all the love? But how you loving him up and you hitting him? You're just gonna hit him with the car? He's so hilarious. Why did I just show him that? No, he's not going to stop doing it. Look at him. Yeah, he have too much sense already. I can't hit this boy, I have too much sense. Tell her no! Oh, you look like Santa Claus.
Tyler.
I'm gonna get you.
Maybe you should give Tyler the shaver. My shaver is here, baby.
Tyler, you're gonna shave. I'm gonna get you. Hey guys, as you guys know, we are back home. You guys, I could not eat not even half of that Burger King.
You finish it now?
Where?
You
I couldn't. Yes, the rest is in the
Lord.
fridge. You didn't hear what I said? I can't.
No, I hear when you say that you're gonna feel puffy and you're gonna have nausea, but I didn't know you leave half of it.
I couldn't come to eat
Tyler ate
anymore.
your fries. You ate half of the sandwich. What did you eat?
Half of a sandwich, and I'm full. I felt like I overeat. I feel like I was gonna go back. I couldn't eat anymore. I don't know if I'll eat more later tonight. I still
You're
feel
gonna wake
full.
up and get some Oreo in the middle of the
Impossible.
night.
I'll have the rest tomorrow. Does anybody else eat leftover Burger King?
No, who don't finish the sandwich?
Me?
Right.
Well, if I feel for it tomorrow, I'm gonna eat it. Okay? And don't tell me don't eat it. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Alright? If I feel
What if
for
you
it.
wake up and the sandwich not there?
Well, me cut your throat. Listen, especially as Jamaicans, do not play with our leftovers. I'll cry for my leftovers, okay?
When you open
Louis
a
ball.
Jamaican fridge, you can see 20 left over, and then you
Listen.
forget it.
You guys,
I remember.
in France, they do not give you a box to take home your leftovers. When I go to restaurants and I can't finish, and I want to carry out my leftovers, babe say, how are you gonna carry it? Because they don't do that here. I'm like, so much food, I'm gonna just leave my food right here? They don't do those things here. That's why I miss Jamaica to carry home my leftovers.
Well, I
I
remember-
need a little box to put my leftovers to carry home.
I should have taken a video of your sister or your mother or any of your family members' fridge in Jamaica.
So much leftovers?
Oh Lord, you have
Of
20
course.
different
Of course, we're not gonna waste our food.
And then 1 week after you say, hold on, where's my fry from the last time? And 2 weeks after.
That's not true.
It's still that long that you have
That's
to
not
throw it away
true.
because you
Well,
forget it.
sometimes that happen, yes.
You cook on
but-
Sunday for the rest of the week.
Of course, Sunday Monday is the nicest. All the Jamaicans watching, don't Sunday Monday is the nicest food. It's not even
'Cause
so nice on the Sunday. Eat
Tuesday,
it Monday
Wednesday,
and
Thursday,
Tuesday.
Friday is the same one from the last Saturday. You get
Sunday Monday rice and peas and oxtail, or Sunday Monday rice and peas
And
and
chicken.
curry goat, or Sunday Monday rice and peas and chicken is the sweetest when it's juicy.
yeah.
Oh, I'm just
Tuesday,
salivating right now.
and Tuesday you just have a whole rice and peas.
And it still tastes nice. You're lucky you have a wife that cook for you every day. You stay there. You need some wife that only cook on Sundays and don't cook again for the rest of the week.
So you want me to trade wife?
You want to trade wife?
I don't want to trade wife.
Mm-hmm. You want to trade wife with who? I tell him every day that I'm going to get him a Kim Kardashian wife.
Okay, find me a Kim Kardashian wife.
So he said he want to trade wife. So if one day you see a next woman vlogging, you guys know what's up. No?
Silent in the room.
Wanna kill fatten and wanna fatten poison.
I want to kill fatten
And wanna fatten
and want to fatten
poison.
poison.
Poison mean poison, but
Okay.
because it's patois we say poison.
Poison.
Say the
I
entire
want to
thing
kill
now.
fatten and a kill of poison.
Wanna kill fatten and wanna fatten
I want to
poison.
kill fatten and want to fatten poison.
Right. That is exciting. There you guys have the Jamaican expression for babe. Now your turn to give me the French word or expression.
This is a real expression, guys. Les carottes sont cuites. Les carottes sont cuites. Carrot is, well, carrots. Les carottes. Sont is just how.
Sans is what?
How, like the carrots are.
R.
Right.
Okay.
Cuite is cook.
So the carrots are cooked.
Right.
Okay.
So, les carottes sont cuites it doesn't mean that the carrots are cooked. It means that it's done. Mean, for example, you play a game and someone can say, okay, les carottes sont cuites. Mean it's done, like you can't come back. Or any situation that is completely done and it can be a like a comeback or no way you can come back.
Like say you lose already, you already
Right,
lost. It is what it is. You can't come
right.
back from the losing.
Right, you could say, okay, les carottes sont cuites.
Okay, it's my time to say it. Say it again.
Les carottes
Les carottes
sont cuites.
sont cuites.
Cuites.
Cuite.
No, it's a C-U-I. It's not a Q.
Okay, say it.
Cuite.
Cuite.
Right.
Les carottes sont cuites.
Right.
Eh.
That's a weird one.
Alright, you guys, I think that's the first French expression we got. So that's the first French expression you guys got. Hopefully you guys enjoy that one. Like, hopefully you guys enjoy those expressions. And Tyler is off to bed. He's sleeping, you guys. It's way past his bedtime. We'll give him a little extra time tonight because we were out and he ate all this shebang that we took home. And listen, each time I go out to order anything now, I'm going to have to order his fries separate because this kid eat fries faster than Babe and I. And when the fries finished earlier, he wasn't having it. He was still asking for more and I had to trick him to get his mind off the fries. This boy can eat. We're basically just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Let me show you guys the view that Babe and I is sitting outside having right now. That's our view, honey. We're just out here looking out and enjoying outside. Alright, you guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to our channel. If it's the first time watching us, welcome, and subscribe. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.